Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna share with you my Cebu experience from the hostels that I stayed in until my business transactions. But before anything else, let's go! But wait! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. So guys, samahan niyo ako. Itutour ko kayo sa hostel na tinuluyan ko. Dito sa Bed and Friends Hostel, dito sa Lapu-Lapu City. So, tara, pasok tayo. Ay, may videographer pala ako. Anyway. So, ito ang kinuha ko. Hostel. Maganda siya, malinis. May mga toiletries siyang available. Like, merong toothbrush, may sabon, and halika, tingnan natin yung room na kinuha ko dito sa ground floor para hindi ako hirap magdala ng aking mga daladalahin. Ito yung room ko. I got this room with a twin bed for only 800 pesos, breakfast included. Now let's go upstairs because they have swimming pool daw sa third floor. Ito yung second floor. Hindi ko na kayo itutur sa second floor because basically mga rooms lang ang nando doon. So guys, come on. Ito yung third floor. Maganda siya. Meron siyang swimming pool. And ito yung mga rules. And then, meron siyang cozy naman siya. Maganda ang mga table arrangement. Dito nga pala, by the way, sila nagsiserve ng breakfast. So, yung 800 pesos na yon, breakfast included. And this is the swimming pool. Tamang-tama lang siya. And my bar. Yan, si Miss Chris. Pareho kaming name, no? Panlalaki. Siya si Miss Chris ng Solid Source. Siya yung nimit ko rito sa Cebu for the folding container para sa office at saka sa warehouse namin. So, papunta na kami sa office nila. Sinundo niya ako sa may Gaisano. Mamaya pupuntahan ko yung Gaisano. Okay. So guys, this is a folding containers from Solidcon. It is very easy to install and useful as a temporary office or warehouse at the job site. So ayan siya.
So ito yung set.
Yung isang set ito.
So ito lang siya pag naka-fold.
Okay. This is Cebu City. Okay.
Ano po ito? Cordoba po nga.
Oh, this is Cordoba.
Pag nakatawid na tayo dyan sa ano po, sa may tulay, Lapu-Lapu City na po.
Walk with me, lead the way, I will follow. You woke me up, I no longer feel hollow. We can help each other through this ever-changing weather. Explore every bend of the road together. An open heart when your world is a mess. That's the only kind of love, the only kind of love. No need for presents or a fancy dress. That's the only kind of love, the only kind of love I need. Ooh. and me, leave your troubles behind you. Oh, let me carry them until